Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about how to draw support and resistance. We will also learn about what is the importance of support and resistance and like how you can use this to get entry into the stock and to get exit into the stock. So we will learn all this with help of live example and let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about support and resistance. So before going ahead, let me explain you what is actually a support and resistance. Simply demand and supply concept. When there will be a more demand and less supply, so basically mean there are more buyer as compared to the seller. So at that point, they will create a support and the share price will start going upward. So on the other hand, when there is a less demand and more supply, we can also say that it's oversupply. Then everybody want to sell that share, nobody is willing to buy that share, then the share start going downward, so it will create a resistance. So this is simply a support and resistance concept. So I will take a live example of the Australian dollar against the USD dollar. So guys, like you can see, this is the by default the chart will be a daily time frame chart. So my recommendation is to always start from the weekly chart. Then we will plot a support and resistance on the weekly chart. Then the same support and resistance will be the same for your daily one and for the 4 hourly and your hourly time frame as well. With this, I always recommend to start with the line chart, because with the line chart you can easily find where is the support and where is the resistance. Once you plot the support and resistance, then you can change from line to candlestick. So we will change from here at the top, then to the line chart. So we will do this the weekly chart. Then easily you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. This is again one of support. Here the price get rejected, then again here get rejected here as well. So the next step which I recommend for a beginner is always try to look for the trend. Is it a upward trend, downward trend? So always remember friends, never trade against the trend, and trend is your friend. So we can easily find here that we look for the weekly chart. This is showing straight clearly the downward trend, because here you can see it is making lower high and lower low, again lower high and lower low, lower high and lower low. Basically, when this type of trend is forming, then you can predict this is a downward trend. I will get rid of this one. So easily we will plot here support and resistance by using the rectangle tool. Just click on the rectangle one. Here is one of the resistance. Then again there is a one support here, and actually I will extend here to this support as well. Then I will change support to the green color and I will keep my resistance to the red color. Then again I will draw one more support here. This is one of the support here as well. Then if I draw one more rectangle here to show there is a resistance, I will change this color to the red color. Then here is one more resistance here. Then again this is resistance. So now we can change from line to the candlestick chart. So just click on this one and click on the candle, it will change to candlestick. This is actually we have plotted the support and resistance on the weekly chart. Now we will change from weekly to the daily one. Just click on the daily one. Now it's showing the same level. You can see whatever we plot in the weekly one, it is same for the daily one. Here is a support, here is also a support, and there is a resistance. Price get rejected here as well, then price get rejected here as well. Now if I change from daily to the 4 hourly, you can see here, see it's the same support and resistance which we draw on the weekly one, and then we use for the daily. Now it's a 4 hourly as well. Now if I change from 4 hourly to the hourly as well, let's check what happened. So I will click here on hourly one. You can see same support. Whenever this price come on this region, it get support here, then it start going upward. You can clearly see this is the upward trend because it's making higher low, like higher low. So again guys, but when we go further down, like from 1 hour to the 15 minute or we 5 minute chart, time frame, then sometimes this doesn't work. So generally prefer to keep this one from weekly to hourly one. If we are using the other time frame for such as 15 minute or 5 minute, then we will plot the support and resistance separately on the 15 minute and 5 minute chart. So guys, this is how you plot the support and resistance on any of the chart, even though it's a forex or a cryptocurrency or share. So basically with help of support and resistance, you can easily predict like the where the price can go up or whether the price can go down. So you can hold that share for a moment or you can sell. So I hope you have learned about support and resistance in this video, and if you like the video, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because more informative videos are on the way. So see you guys in next video.